Welcome you all to the next session, that is Comparator. In this session, I'm trying to resolve this problem, find the youngest employee. So in previous example, we had seen from the given list, we were actually filtering out who are all less than 30. So there we got like Dinesh 25, Raju 29, it is available. So now I want the youngest employee from this list. So this is my list. Okay, like I have to stream this, I have to check each and every object, and here comes the comparator part. So java.util.comparator, and I have to pass on what basis I should do it. So I can actually use this as well. So it gives me the result. So give meaningful name, not A. So among this, Dinesh 25 is the youngest. I got it. So I try to use method reference. This also should work the same. Yes. So now I want the eldest employee in this list. So then I should get Partha 32. Yes, it works. Okay. So comparator, not only we use it here, we can use even in search also. So there are a lot of thing. Let me comment this part and run. So I'm getting some result like 10, 12, 9 based on name. They have ordered it Raj, Ram, Ravi. So let me change this implementation. Now I wanted to use from this particular object, I wanted to call sort method. So I can then pass the comparator. I don't want to do it. So this does it as like how we have done in the previous case. So employee dot get name should result to the same result. Raj Ram Ravi, Raj Ram Ravi. So now say Ram and Ravi. So I'll change this Ravi as Raj. I'll run this Raj and Ram. Right now it looks. So now you see like this name, this two object has the same name but different age. So now I first want to compare with by name, and then I have to compare by age. So that is also possible. This again accepts comparator object. Again I have to pass that employee, then get, in this case, age. I have to pass it. So look, now it is Raj 12, Raj 9, and Ram 10. I have to pass one more bracket. Is Raj 9, Raj 12, and Ram 10. Okay, so now what if I want to order this name in reverse order? Yes, in previous case we were actually doing like e2.getName compared to e1.getName. That does that. Here I can actually call this reversed, and then you can do then comparing and so on so things. So let me run this and I will show you. Now it is again starts with Ram, again Raj, but only this is reversed. So that's how we can keep cascade a number of parameters. So most probably we use one or two that we can do it like this. Hope you people understood the comparator, its importance and usages. Shortly we'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.